Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a two stars puzzle in additional, not in today's newspaper, on Wednesday, March the 22nd, 2022, no, 2023, no, it's the edition of Tuesday, March the 7th, 2023. We have two puzzles left. The first puzzle I've already done is the letter Sudoku. I need more time than 15 to 20 minutes. Two puzzles are left, the tectonic with 1 star and the 2 stars Sudoku. Let me start with the 2 stars Sudoku number 6157. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has one less than the previous Sudoku. 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 6. We have a 9 and a 6 in the third row, so no 9 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 6, 9 and 6. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 and 4, 7 and 4. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in the third row? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes and there. Alright. We have a 9 in this row, the 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 and 6, we have a 9 now in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes in there. 9, 9. 2, 2, 2. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the last row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2, okay. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. The 9 in the last column, the 9 in that column, so the column 3. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 5, 5. 7, 7. 1, 1, 1, 1, and the 9 in this column, the 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, so that row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see a 9 in the first column, no 9 there, here 9 in the second column, no 9 there, so the only place left for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this first row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 1, 6, 7. 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7. And look, we have 1 and a 6 in the second column, so no 1 and a 6 in this box. The 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 7. 7 and 4, we have a 7 in this column, second column, so no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 4, 7, Three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. Four missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this last row, so no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. So what are the other two missing numbers in this big square? For the numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1, 1, 6, 6. We have a pair, The 1 and the 6 in this column, the 1 and the 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places left for the 1 and the 6 goes in these 3 boxes. 1 and the 6, 1 and 6, 1 and the 6. And look, we have 1 and the 6 in this row. So no 1 and 6 in this box. 1 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 6, alright. 7, 3, 2. Well. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 and a 7, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 7. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here, 2 in the middle row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we see here 2 in the middle column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2, okay. We have a pair, the 5 and the 6 in this column, the 5 and the 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes and there. 2 missing numbers in the second column. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. And the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left. In this big square, for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square, for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes and there. 2 missing numbers in the first column, for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 2 missing numbers in this big square, for numbers the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6. And look, we have 1 and a 3 in the middle column. So no 1 and 3 in this box. The 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and a 3. But here can be a 3. This should be 1 or a 6. But here we have 1 and a 3, so this box should be the 6. Here, 1 on a 6. We have a 6 there, so this box should be a 1. The pair 1 and a 6. This should be a 6. 1 box left in this row for number 3. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. One box left in this column for number 1 and 2. The 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 3, 3, 5. Yeah, 8, 8. 1, 2, 2, 2. Come on, 4, 5, and need a 3 here. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between, in the middle row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. One there, we see a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, 3. And a 7, yeah, we have a pair and a 3 and a 7 in this column, 3 and a 7 in the column next. So last column, no, only 2 places left for the 3 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 3 and a 7, 3 and 7. So 1 digit left in the last column for number 2. 1, 2, yes. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. 1 there, we see a 2 in the first one, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Wide, 4, 5, and 8. Need an 8 here. 2 missing letters in this 2 missing digits in this big square. Those missing letters are the 1, the 2, 3, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 4 goes there. The 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. So 2 missing letters, I believe the 4 and the 5. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 and the 5, we have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes and there. Then 3, 7 and 5, yeah. We have a 5 and a 7 in this column, 5 and a 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. 3 and the 7, we have a 7 now in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 3 goes there. Well, pencil is not working anymore. 2 final numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes, and they are finished in 13 minutes. Wow, 13 minutes. I'm pleased with time. Yeah. 2 stars. No, let me give this a 1 star, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of the day, a tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.